what's going on, guys? I started this video like 2 months ago. I never did an intro. This is it. I don't really know what to say. Hope y'all like it. Dash cam finally came in. I got the DDPIA Z50 dual camera, front and rear. Here it is. I only got the front one mounted. Ran it through the dash, underneath, up through there, and right in through here. I'll do the rear a different day because my brother needs to borrow my car today because it's in the shop. Here's the rear camera. I'm going to mount it right around here. I'm gonna try and gonna have to have some slack, I guess, for that. Oh wait, no, maybe I should. I don't know if I should mount it right there. We might mount it right there, and then run it through along the side all the way up to there, and it should plug right in. It looks like with this connector. So I ended up mounting it right here because right here it didn't look too good with the camera wise. It just didn't blend well, or not blend. All this was white and you couldn't see through the window because of it. Got the dash cam to finally record, and we're gonna test it on this road trip. Hope y'all liked the video. I am sorry for the quality, not getting more footage for the road trip. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, but I've been just lazy. No excuse, really. This channel is going to be about just things I do to vehicles and having fun. Now, with that being said, I hope y'all have a good day.